In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. In my case, slide your finger across the button of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see... Also sorry, I clicked on Tutorial. One-handed mode is on. To go back, click on this blank area. To change placement of it, just swipe at the opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!